Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean, and this is our nightly video report for Tuesday, September 20th, 2016. There's going to be about a 30-second update because it makes no sense even going into anything because it all depends on how these algorithms are going to be programmed for tomorrow after the Fed meeting. The one thing that I would say that really stands out is this is we had a gap, and then the entire day was selling. We had a gap, the entire day was selling. So it's if anything, I mean, I'm not going to make too much of it just because, like I said, we have the we have the Fed meeting tomorrow. But these are, it's when you get this selling going on, there's people that get trapped every time with these gap ups thinking they're going to miss something. So if let's say these algorithms are programmed to sell, or they don't like the news that comes out, I mean, you can see a very fast move to the downside. Now, in the same sense, they could be programmed to the upside, and if it pops up, then all you do is you just wait at resistance and you start shorting up here. If it breaks down, then what happens is you kind of, once it breaks support, jump in and put a stop right above it. But you can see we're neutral on the 15-minute chart, but we have bearish divergences in place. 60-minute chart, even with all this movement, we still haven't even got to the 50% line. So it's just been kind of up and down and nothing really going on. But the moving averages have crossed. I don't think I can turn around and say everybody's really bearish on this market or bullish. I think everybody's kind of just like, well, let's see what happens with the Fed, which really should have nothing to do with the market at this stage of the game. But unfortunately, they've made this bet, and it's the only game in town is trying to predict what they're going to do and front running things. So that's about all I have. I mean, there's really not much to say with a 1-point move. In the last 2 days on a closing basis. But like I said, they've tried to gap up 2 days in a row, and it failed each time. So it's telling me, this is just a bear flag right now, and it should break to the downside. And when it breaks to the downside, we're probably heading someplace down to this 2058. So it would be nice if they pop it up, because then we get a chance to short some. But I still believe we're coming down someplace into this 2068, 2050 level. So if they give you strength, build a short position. If they, break it down, then you take a position and put a stop right above the previous high. And, there's odds that we're coming all the way down here. So the risk reward would be on your side. So with that, until tomorrow, have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.